In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to fix the FragPunk login error step by step. If you're stuck at the login screen and nothing seems to load or it keeps looping you back, don't worry. This issue is pretty common, and a few simple checks can usually get you back into the game. So let's jump straight into the fixes. First, check your internet connection. It might sound basic, but FragPunk is very sensitive to unstable or weak connections. Start by restarting your Wi-Fi router. Turn it off for about 15 seconds and power it back on. If things still feel slow, give the router a full reset by leaving it off for a couple of minutes. After that, reconnect and test your internet by opening a browser or loading another online app. If everything else loads fine, move on to the next step. A stable and consistent connection is important because even tiny drops can trigger login failures. Next, make sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking the game. On your PC, search for Allow an app through Windows Firewall and open that setting. Click Change Settings, scroll through the list and look for FragPunk. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. If the game isn't listed, click Allow another app and add it manually. Sometimes when the game launches for the first time, it doesn't get the right permissions, and that alone can stop the login process. If that still doesn't help, check the server status. Go to FragPunk's official Twitter account or the game's website and look for updates. If the servers are under maintenance or overloaded, there's nothing wrong with your PC. You'll just have to wait until everything is back online. This happens especially during big patches, new events, or when too many players try to log in at once. Another useful fix is verifying your game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click FragPunk, and select Properties. Then head to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game folder and replace any corrupted or missing files. If something broke during installation or a recent update, this step usually catches it. Finally, make sure everything is updated. That includes FragPunk itself and the platform you're launching it from, whether that's Steam or Epic. Outdated versions can cause weird problems, including login issues, crashes, or the game not syncing correctly. Updating only takes a minute and often fixes these small but annoying problems. Try these steps one by one and see which one works for you. And if a particular fix solved the issue, let us know in the comments so others can try it too.